That's the problem with you representing yourself.
No, I did everything properly. Everything has been done.
You have
the only thing the court has to do is appoint her to my case.
You have to notice JAC.
It's done. They're waiting on the court's response.
You have to be able to, if you're going to represent yourself.
I filed all the proper motions.
Do you ever see the lawyers arguing with me like that? No, sir. Whether I'm right, whether they think I'm right or wrong, they don't argue with me. So
come on, man. Don't fucking touch. Hey, man, I'm trying to help you.
Mr. McCoy?
Hey, man, you need to stop that
Mr. McCoy? All right, Mr. McCoy, bring it back. Mr. McCoy, come on up. This is State of Florida versus Devante McCoy, 24 CF 2543, 24 CF 2544. Mr. McCoy is before the court pro se. Mr. McCoy, you understand at any point in time, you can ask an attorney to be appointed to represent you and one will be appointed to represent you, no charge. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
Mr. McCoy?
Well, I was coming to address a couple of motions that I have filed, which was Richardson here, based on the evidence that was destroyed that I was requesting over this year period.
Okay, what evidence is that?
Same one that we've had this hearing 5 times on, Judge. The video from the SEPCO gas station that doesn't exist.
And the body cam from the FHP and the body cam from the Bay County SID.
The dash cam from FHP has been provided to Mr. McCoy. I handed him the disc in court personally.
Well, that's not the initial. I need the body cam from the Bay County SID because the FHP was only assistant Bay County.
Judge, sorry, you can finish.
You can go if you got something to say.
Judge, we've had this hearing 5 times already.
Okay, I understand that. I'm just addressing that, Mr. Frank Sullivan, because without this evidence, that's prejudiced me in preparing for my trial.
Okay, what evidence don't you have?
It's exculpatory evidence. The video request, I filed like 7 motions.
So what video?
The video from the SEPCO gas station.
Okay, that I've already ruled on that.
Well, man, why is that? That's exculpatory evidence. I need that in order to defend myself.
You couldn't get it, and they didn't get it. They don't have to go get evidence if they don't have it. I've already ruled on that. It's part of the record, and it's ad nauseum part of the record. Okay.
Just saying this for the record.
Let me just make for the record. You're asking for video evidence that may or may not exist from a store that had a store that was part of this incident that may or may not have a video camera, correct?
100% had a video. I talked to the manager. She saved it in backup data.
Did you ask for it?
I did.
Okay. Did you get it?
You need a court order and you denied it, Mr. Clark.
Okay. All right. Well, that's already been ordered on. That's part of the record. So you can do anything else with that. So I'm gonna deny that motion. So where are we at? You also said, Cam, you've got VHP tape, right?
That's not enough. That's not what I need.
I understand that, but I'm just asking you.
Exculpatory and impeachment evidence has been destroyed that I needed, so okay, I cannot properly defend myself.
I've already denied that.
How would you defend me?
What else are you asking for?
My evidence to defend myself.
What else are you asking for? I've already ruled on that evidence from the store.
Why would you deny me all the evidence? The body cam, dash cam.
Okay, the body. That's what I'm asking. What about the body?
Bay County SID. Bay County body cam. The body cam from FHP.
Well, you've got the FHP.
No, you just got one dash cam. That's not enough. I need the evidence to prove what I was trying to prove as far as my innocence.
All right, Mr. Sullivan.
Exculpatory and impeachment evidence. I need that, Mr. Clark. I can't proceed and have a fair trial without this evidence.
Mr. Sullivan.
Judge, all of the video in this case has been provided. There were multiple FHP dash cam videos provided, not just.
Why just FHP? When Bay County was the leading.
Let me finish my answer. I will answer that question.
You did cut me off.
Listen.
So, Mr. McCoy requested the SID body cams. We reached out to SID. They did not have body cams at that time. We asked for any dash cams that were potentially used. There were undercover vehicles. There were no dash cams for the Bay County Sheriff's Office. All the video that was involved in this case has been provided to Mr. McCoy. We've been over this 4 or 5 times.
Motion denied, and we set for trial when?
The week of October 6th, and I asked that it remain.
Anything else, Mr. McCoy?
Yes, I got a motion to dismiss for spoliation of evidence that I would like to be heard. And the motion.
I'm not going to hear it today, but you can file it, and
it's already been filed, Mr. Clark.
Motion to destroy evidence.
Motion to dismiss for spoliation of evidence.
We've essentially argued this every time we've had this hearing, so I'm prepared to move forward. If you
I'm gonna deny it. I'm gonna give you a written order prior to October 6th.
Okay, I got more things that I need to address for the record because this is based on this trial.
What else?
So now I'm asking you, Mr. Clark, you don't believe that's prejudicing me by denying me this evidence? You don't believe
I don't
that
have that. If I had the evidence, if it was up to me to
it
have the evidence,
was,
I'd
it was
give it
there,
to you.
when
but
it
I
was
don't have
available
it.
when I was requesting it. You
That's
denied
what you're arguing. I'm gonna cut you off because we've already had this argument before. Anything else
What-
new?
how-
Anything else new?
Yes. How can you,
Okay, don't, I'm not. gonna-
it's not, I'm
Motion
not
denied.
asking,
That concludes the hearing. We'll see you.
I'm not done talking, Mr. Clark.
We'll see you.
I'm trying to prepare for my trial. I'm trying to present, I'm trying to
Airport,
obtain
October
evidence.
6th at 8:30.
Okay, what about my motion for this private investigator? All right,
Have you filed that paperwork?
motion to, yes, it's right here. I have it right here. The
Have you
motion-
filed it?
It's right here. Yes, you already responded to it. But you didn't respond to it. You didn't appoint my private investigator.
No, you have to, that's the problem with you representing yourself.
No, I did everything properly. Everything's been done.
You have
Only thing the court has to
listen,
do is
you have
appoint her to my case.
You have to notice JAC.
It's done. They're waiting
Where?
on the court's response. Really can't expect me to go to trial by denying me my exculpatory evidence either, Mr. Trial. Mr. Clark, that's prejudicing me being biased.
Okay.
Deny me all my rights as a pro se litigant and as a U.S. citizen.
All right. We'll see you October 6th.
And there's gonna be a mistrial.
Okay.
And deny me all my evidence and force me to.
October 6th. You have to be able, if you're going to represent
I
yourself.
filed all the proper
Mister,
motions.
do you ever see
denied
the
me.
lawyers arguing with me like that? No, sir. Whether I'm
It
right,
doesn't
whether they
matter.
think I'm right or wrong, they don't argue with me. So that concludes the hearing.
Look at everything you already
Remove Mr.
done to me.
McCoy
Over
from
there.
the courtroom.
Come on, man. Don't fucking. Hey, man, I'm trying to help
Mr.
you.
McCoy,
Hey, man, you need to stop that shit.
Mr.
you be doing.
McCoy, you're getting real close to not being able to represent yourself because you can't do it competently. That's enough. All right, Mr. McCoy, bring it back. I don't want you to say a word, but I am going to tell you, any more outbursts last night, you will not be able to represent yourself again. You understand? Take him out.
Trying to defend myself.
All right, Mr. McCoy, I'm appointing the Office of Public Defender to represent you. I'm going to find that you are not competent to represent yourself. We're leaving on October 6th.
Don't treat me like that.